Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I hope you are all well. Are you now? I am working on Islamic videos. So I thought, why I do justify, expose feminism. I thought, why I justify feminism and expose feminism. So I researched on this, and I found out how much seditions there is their work against Islam. Islam teaches modesty and forbids medicincy. Muhammad, peace be upon him, said shame is by faith. Shame is by faith. I'm working on it more, and a video on this will come soon, inshallah. We will meet you in the next installment. Until then, by God. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
मेरे मौला तेरी रहमत से निकला